Today we're going to be making the classic Italian Negroni. Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're going to be making the Negroni. And Dave's going to start off.
Yeah, so this is a classic Italian drink. And we're going to start off with some Seagram's gin. So I'm going to do about an ounce of Seagram's gin into a cup about 3/4 full of ice.
Alright, and then I'm going to add in some vermouth. It's the sweet kind. Add in a shot of that.
And then I'm going to add campari. And we're going to use about an ounce of this as well. So it's a pretty simple drink. 3 parts, equal parts. Okay. Get a nice stir going.
And then I'm gonna peel an orange and we're gonna give it a zest. And I'm going to put the orange around the rim and then give it a zest. And
I saw it. There it is.
Here's the Negroni.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to give it a try. This is not one of Krista's favorite drinks, but I love a good Negroni. That's good.
I'll trust him, but this is why we drink.
Yeah, this is why we drink. It's great flavor. It's got a really smooth flavor. It's got nice orange hint when you go in. Great drink. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.
Bye.